Thank you for coming to watch my video Fashion in the Mind. When you hear of fashion, I know what comes into your mind is dressing that figure 8 on the runway. But you cannot be a fashion designer or in the fashion industry if you don't know anything about interior designing and exterior designing. Today we are going to look at the way people are doing the exterior design in preparation for Christmas Day. This house on the outside, the front, they have decorated with lighting. See, the lighting is following the shape of the roof of the house. On the ground and on the first floor, there is a tree here that is allowing light to come through, and it's making it look so beautiful. We have small walking sticks, lighting, shining the red and white colors. We also have animals. Remember, Jesus was born in a manger where there were animals. A common animal that is featured in America is the reindeer or the deers. Other countries have different animals. Some have donkeys, some have bears, and whatever. So look at this tree, the way it has been decorated with lighting. Up there on the branches, you have blue lighting which look like raindrops. Then on the wall, along the rooftop is lighting following the rooftop. Then we have some lighting moving up and down. That's light projected from a projector down there. Stellate lights. Here is a cow here. There is a pig over there. It's the deer here. The dog. And of course the chicken. Yeah. Look at the light. Beautiful. Blinking. Different colors. Wow. And the LED lights moving up and down. Red. Green. Yes. Has the beauty of Christmas. And there is a very huge reindeer here. Very huge. Very big horns. It also has Santa Claus. The colors red and green. Father Christmas they used to use different colors. Then one time Coca-Cola company came up with red and white, and I think from that time on everyone is using red and white for Father Christmas. Christmas tree is there. It's usually the shape of a pine. I don't know why a pine shape. Pine trees, I don't know why. Maybe you can say something on the comment section about the shape of the tree, Christmas tree, it's usually a pine. During winter, you can see snowman here also. The red and green lights are over there. Another snowman. The reindeer is changing colors from green to red. Yes, beautiful. Wow. Beauty. Some lighting on the ground, on the pavements. Look at. Just look at this tree. The lighting. Different colors, red. It's green. Let's wait what will come next. Blue. Wow. Yeah, green and red. Christmas colors. Red because of the blood of Jesus Christ. And green is the life that Jesus Christ gave after resurrection. So it has a meaning. Yes. Decorations all over the place. There you go. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and ring the bell. See you in the next video.